We have another listing. Welcome to our channel. This is Mr. Nini Humawas Katursa, your license. Real estate broker with BRC license 0015450. Now we are here at Barangay Rosario, Aloginsan, Cebu. So this is located in Barangay Rosario, Aloginsan, Cebu. This is the property. It is 16,000 square meters or 1.6 hectares at 500 pesos per square meter. So this is 500 pesos per square meter net, limpio, meaning all expenses to transfer from seller to the buyer side is on the account of buyer. So 16,000 square meters, clean title. The property has coconut trees, banana trees, mango trees, and other fruit trees. Papaya, papaya. Then also has a house, no? Na ani balay with water and electricity. Ang water ani guys is water pump. Na ani water pump sila. So nindot kayo niyo, imo unlag kuan. So owner is not around to asagawas, living outside of the country. Na sa SPE naka kuan sa igsoon. So nindot kay ni nga property guys kay operation na kaditso or ready for occupancy. So RFO ni guys, no? All you have to do is to bring your things. So farmhouse, na CR nas gawas, no? Nasa CR nas kilid. Duha ka buk CR ani. So nindot kayo, bakasyon ka. Rosario, Aloginsan is around 1 hour and 30 minutes from Cebu City. Then approximately 20 minutes drive from Karkar City, Cebu. So all you have to do again is to settle na diretso. So there is a portion, mura siya ladi rice ni ang porma sa yuta guys. Sa primero, patag, first nga patag, mauto siya. Then second is the house, where the house is located. Third, diri na sa kuan kadtong atubangan sa house ni another kuan na sad ni overlooking na siya nya malanta na to ang Negros Island dito dapita. So develop na gyud ning balaya guys, nindot kayo. Then you can plant additional, no, vegetables, daghan kag makuan ani. So the total price of this property is 8 million pesos. So diya diri dapita ang water pump, no, na diha. So nindot kayo. See, this is really very nice property guys kay flat terrain. Gitamnan ni siya og batong, oh. So see, very nice. Kini ginoon nga 1.6 hectares, ideal for kan gid siya. Kanang pwede siya gamon nga subdivision development, or if you can have a poultry piggery, pwede. Ano, backyard lang, backyard. Pero gusto nyo kang mag-industrial, I think mananghid ka. Pero 1.6 is kuan raman po, gamay raman po ni. Basta kung gusto jud ka diri magpigiri poultry pang backyard ra, pero kung bati ra sad okay ra man pod, no. Naapoy kaimito guys, oh, star apple. So daghan jud kag mahimo diri guys. Yeah. Dili pod kay daghan ng neighborhood, although there are neighbors but not too many. So here comes the drone video. Mao ni ang drone video guys, no. Mao tong elevated area. There is an elevated area of the property. Kana siya guys, no. Kadto. Pwede na nimo buhatan itong swimming pool kana dito lapita. Unahan, oh. Kini guys, mo ni akong giingon nga elevated portion. So kana, no? Mo na elevated or top portion of the property. Kini murag na valley. Sibaw ka na murag na Tagaytay nila na. Nindot kay na buhatan nimo na dito og other improvements like swimming pool or buhaton na nimo nga view deck. So as I have said, the property is really good for residential and farming. See, that is the elevated portion kini nga kuan. So nindot kay na diha, malantaw na to ang Negros Island diha guys. So kita na to. Then actually this is already almost the boundary of Pinamungahan, Cebu. Kanay nga location, no? As you can see, there is the provincial highway, no? Dool ra kayo. Lantaw nimo ang karsada. Approximately naas mga 100 meters man siguro from the provincial highway. Nasa moagi nga sakyanan guys dito. So ana na, no, this is the property, no, moagi na siya. Kini nga tungod guys, ano ang property, no. Transportation. Nay moagi nga bus pod from Carcar City man siguro. Pero much better if you have your own car or vehicle, motorcycle, or else you may ride a single taxi or habal-habal, gitawag na mo habal-habal. Marob ginay pabor. So ingon na sakay kitag ahat habal-habal. So this is the property good guys, no, atog yung gi-focus, no, diri sa ubos. You can see the road on top, no. Kita na tong karsada, makita man nato, no. That is a concrete road, no. See? Paingon na ito sa Karkar. Or vice versa. Lusot na dito sa Pinamungahan, Cebu. Kana nga road. Lusot na ito sa Pinamungahan. Wala na, no? So, nindot kaya siya. Good for retirement. And this is my full name again, my Facebook account. And that is my contact number, 0917-1133711, 0947-499-6092, Viber. So, atong ilan-lain ay WhatsApp sa 711 o 6092 is Viber. So, katurzan@yahoo.com. So, manay atong official email account. So, kinsa tong gusto mo contact. Then, if you have properties for sale, just let me know, no? Kung naamoy mga property nga baligya, kuan na sad ta. I will help you sell your property. So, kung naa sa Manila dapit, nya iniwagi ng property, just forward the video and picture. I will help you sell your property through this platform, YouTube channel. Basin di ay ni makakita. Then send me the documents. Padala po ang documents kay aron sad nga dili sad tama kuan, no? So nindot ni guys kay ma-handle ra ba ang iyang location that is only 1 hectare, no? Farming gina kasagaran, vegetables farming, pwede ra gyud tanan, no? Goat farming gusto ka magkandingan, okay kaya ra sa na kayo guys. Nindot kay baka pwede gani imo lang kung ano nang law, no? See, very nice. Mao na ang road guys going to the property, makita na to, no? Then going to Pinamungahan and Alogensan. Again, this is Barangay Rosario, Alogensan, Cebu. Then more properties for sale. Just type www.propertyph.net. So, mao ni atong website, propertyph.net. So, natin daghang mga property for sale diri guys. Preferably sa Bohol area kay wa man kay ta maka balik sa Cebu, although we have also for sale in Cebu, no? Subdivision, condominium. So daghan, no? Basi gusto mong mapalit og condominium, just let me know. O baligya pon mo condominium sa Cebu. Okay? So dili pa crowded, no? Dili pa crowded ang atong location. Yeah, fresh air nindot kayo. Pang retirement yun, no? So very nice, no? Mana siya. Again, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Caturza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. So, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing.